Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating history of a seemingly simple object that has profoundly impacted human civilization, the condom. From its humble beginnings as an animal bladder to the high-tech marvels we have today, this is a story of innovation, social change, and the ongoing quest for safe and pleasurable sex. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the captivating history of the condom. Believe it or not, condoms have been around for a very long time. Evidence suggests that prehistoric people used animal bladders and intestines as early forms of contraception. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, and we find evidence of linen sheaths being used, even mentioned in royal decrees. The Romans, ever the innovators, also used condoms fashioned from various materials, not just for contraception, but also as a fashion statement, and even to prevent disease. The real game changer came in the 19th century with Charles Goodyear's discovery of vulcanization. This accidental breakthrough revolutionized rubber, making it durable and waterproof, perfect for creating more reliable condoms. Early rubber condoms were far from perfect, but they paved the way for a new era of contraceptive technology. Julius Schmid was a German immigrant who started his career as a butcher, but he saw a need for better, more accessible condoms, and he set out to revolutionize the industry. He developed the first modern condom, a seamless skin made from animal intestines, and pioneered mass production techniques that made condoms affordable and widely available. Schmid truly democratized safe sex, changing the course of history. The 20th century was a time of both progress and setbacks for the condom. The Comstock Act in the U.S. criminalized the distribution of contraceptives, hindering access to safe sex. However, world wars and the growing threat of sexually transmitted infections led to increased condom distribution among soldiers and the general public. Latex emerged as a new material for condoms, offering improved durability and affordability. Schmid's company continued to thrive, passing from father to son and expanding its product line to include diaphragms and other contraceptives. Eventually, the company was acquired by the London Rubber Company, marking a new chapter in the history of the condom. The sexual revolution of the 1960s and 70s brought about changing attitudes towards sex, but also new challenges. The AIDS crisis highlighted the critical role of condoms in preventing the spread of HIV, leading to increased activism and education around safe sex practices. Today, the condom market is more diverse than ever. We have condoms made from latex, polyurethane, and even lambskin. They come in all shapes, sizes, and textures, catering to every preference. With ongoing research and development, the future of condoms promises even more innovation. Condoms are more than just a contraceptive. They are vital for preventing sexually transmitted infections and protecting sexual health for everyone. They can also be used for sexual enhancement, helping to prolong pleasure. In the field of fertility assistance, condoms play a crucial role in collecting semen samples. The condom, a seemingly simple invention, has profoundly impacted human history. It has allowed individuals to take control of their reproductive choices, protect themselves from disease, and explore their sexuality safely. The ongoing battle for sexual health and rights continues, and the condom remains a crucial tool in this fight. Through continued innovation and education, we can ensure a future where everyone has access to safe and pleasurable sex. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the condom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from the past. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe, and make responsible choices. See you in the next video.